Hello everybody, today I will show you a very beautiful silver coins. They are actually piece of arts. The girl with the pearl earring, some of the Vermeer's paintings. So these coins are minted about the Vermeer's beautiful painting. Vermeer was named the Master of Light, so silver coins are fitting perfect in this description because we know silver is very shiny. And I unboxed already the two coins. I got the 100-gram coin and 22-gram coin. They are in boxes. This is the 22 grams coin, minted in Paris, Monnaie de Paris. I open the box and here is the guarantee paper, Monnaie de Paris, certificate. And here is the coin. This is costing 100 euro already, 22 grams only, and the face value of 10 euro. But I'm not going to show you this. I'm not going to remove this from the box. I'm going to show you the big one. Girl with the pearl earring, 100-gram silver coin. Fine silver, same. The box, Monnaie de Paris. And I open this one. And this is the beautiful piece of art silver coin. This I'm going to remove from the box to show you better. So Monnaie de Paris pays tribute to the major masterpiece on French Museum of having been painted in France, and Vermeer made this beautiful painting, Girl with the Pearl Earring. So this coin is not just a silver coin. This was costing already 350 euro. So probably in a few years will be very precious, will have a very good value, because was minted only in 500 pieces. And this one has the face value of 50 euro. The obverse represents Vermeer's famous work, The Girl with the Pearl Earring. Like you can see, the museum masterpiece stamp that defines the series has been added to the top of the coin and blends in with the work. At the bottom of the painting, the facade of the Jeu de Paume Museum in Paris, where the work was first exhibited outside the Netherlands 100 years ago. The sumptuous frame surrounding the work was created by the engraver of Monnaie de Paris. The name of the work and the artist also complete the decoration. And the year 2021 appears at the top left. Now let's see the reverse of the coin. The reverse is common to the series. It depicts several views of many major French museums. An interior view of the Museum d'Orsay on the top left is recognizable by the distinctive clock. Beside that is a view of the facade of the Louvre, a scene from the Napoleon courtyard where the pyramid is located. Below these two elements, a fresco shows the Hotel Salé, which houses the Picasso Museum. The low portion of the reverse side features a view of the facade of Hotel Biron, the current Rodin Museum, and above the famous Centre Pompidou. The face value of €50, as you can see, and words République Française are also inscribed on the reverse side. It's a very beautiful coin. This is not only a silver coin, it's a piece of art, and I think in a few years will cost maybe €1,000 or maybe more, if now was costing €350. So it's very nice minted, very shiny, and very appropriate to the name of the painter Vermeer, who has the name of Master of Light, and silver has a lot of light, of course. So tell me your opinion about this beautiful piece of art, silver coins, in comments. Give me a like and subscribe if you like my work. This was the coins I got for this month because they are expensive coins, and I will see what I will get next month to show you. Very nice coins and valuable coins. Also they have face value €50. This 100-gram silver coin, and this 22 silver coin grams has €10 face value. So again, tell me your opinion about these beautiful silver coins made the Monnaie de Paris in France, and I will waiting you next time to show you more beautiful silver coins and maybe something else as well. Thank you very much. The girl with the pearl earring, it's indeed a very beautiful silver coin, piece of art.